Hey guys, and welcome back to another week of our critical vocabulary words. So we've got about 6 words for this week, so let us go ahead and get started. So our first word of the day is surrendered. So I'd like y'all to take a moment, sit back, and think what surrendered might mean. Surrendered. If you surrendered to your enemy, you gave up and agreed that the other side won. So an example used in a sentence is, Alice surrendered right before Wes was about to throw another snowball at her, meaning that she said she gave up. It was enough. She didn't want to do it anymore. So that the other team, so Wes, had won. So our next word is rebellion. So I'd like y'all to look at the picture and think what rebellion might mean. Rebellion. In a rebellion, people defy authority and fight for change in their political system. An example used in a sentence is, throughout history, there have been many times when rebellion has brought about change. So throughout history, there have been in wars and events in America where people rebelled and wanted to see a change brought about, like when the British moved to America in the very beginning. Americans rebelled because they wanted to be their own kind of people and branch off. So our next and final word of today is furious. So take a moment and think what furious might mean. Furious. Someone who is furious is very, very angry. An example used in a sentence is, when you feel furious, it's a good idea to take a break and count to 10. Meaning, if you're so angry that you might yell or scream or get mad at somebody, it might be good to stop. Take a moment, count to 10, have a breather, any way to calm you down. So these have been our words of the day, and please come back and review and study these whenever you can. Create your flashcards, and I will see you back tomorrow for some more of our critical vocabulary words. Have a good day.